Hello friends, in this video, we will show you how to take your projects to the next level by using GitHub Actions and creating CI/CD pipelines in the DevOps workflow. If you're interested in automating software development and deployment processes, this video is for you. This course includes almost 12,000 students and has a rating of 4.6, which is among the highest ratings. Its price is around €20. Things you will learn in this course: the fundamentals of CI/CD pipelines in GitHub Actions, creating pipelines for web applications, best practices for GitHub workflows, and much more. This course includes 2 hours of instruction, and a certificate of completion will be awarded to you. I intend to offer this course completely free of charge, without any cost to you, and you will receive a certificate upon completion. You open your browser and search for gotodiscounts.com in the Google search bar. The result will show up, and we click on the link to enter the website. Make sure that what you typed is exactly the same as what is shown. The website page of gotodiscounts.com opens, and there are different categories available. You can choose your desired category. To find the course I'm looking for, I go into the IT and software category. After entering the category I want, I can find the course I'm looking for. After finding the desired course, I click on it. The course page opens for us, and the related information about the desired course is displayed there. Pay attention to the expiration date mentioned in the course. To use the discount coupon for this course, scroll down and click on the Go to the Discounted Course button. As you saw, through the website gotodiscounts.com, I was able to get this course completely free, without paying the usual €20. However, this discount is not permanent, and there are only 2 days left to take advantage of this offer. If this video helped you, make sure to share it with your friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.